Hi, Josh. I just want to show you how to do step 7 in the assignment that you're asking questions about. So here it is. Here it says, position the insertion point at the end of the document. So I'm going to just pop over to my document, which is here, and I'm going to put the insertion point right at the end. So I've got it here at the end. The end could be anywhere, but I've just set the end to be at the top of the next page of my document. I go back to the instruction, add and align right tab at 2 3/4 inches with leader style 2. So here's how you do that. I right click here and I go to paragraph. And inside paragraph, you'll see that tabs down in the bottom left corner here is one of the properties of a paragraph. So I'm going to click tabs. And here it allows me to enter a tab stop position, which is supposed to be 2.75 inches. And these tabs can be aligned left, center, or right. And it said to do it right, so I'll click right there. And it has to have a dot leader on it, right there. And so once I've got it set up at 2 3/4 inches, and I've got it right aligned and a dot leader on it, number 2, I just click set. And that sets that tab with those properties, and I say OK. So you'll see down here, if I type something here, and I hit a tab, notice it puts this dot leader in. And if I type again, look what happens. That's because it's a right aligned tab that I put in. If it was left aligned, the text would go to the right. But because it's right aligned, the text goes to the left. In other words, the text ends, the right hand end of the text ends at the tab. And if you look up on the ruler up here, and you might have to go view and turn your ruler on to see it. But if you look up at the ruler, you can see that the tab is right there. It's sitting on the at 2 3/4 inches. So anyway, that's how you do it. If I hit enter here and I tab something else and go tab and type something else here, it'll set up a table that looks like that. So that's how you do that. And if you have any questions, I can explain it more to you. Just let me know. Thank you.